Okay, this is Cool Trains of Montreal here at the Montreal Vermont and Essex 1950s layout. We're at White River Junction.
Je sais pas s'il va venir là, honnêtement. J'ai l'impression que quelqu'un par le bord, c'est juste qu'il y a un passager qui vient ici. Oui, là-bas, c'est le café. On va voir.
This is from the Rock of Ages quarry, a real place in Vermont. A lot of this is probably done from photographs. And this is the incredible Bellows Falls. Again, based on real photographs of the real town. And it comes around and goes into the other part of the layout. It really needs to be looked at in detail. All of this. You have the town's downtown area, just as it is in Vermont, perched up here, and then the track comes out of a tunnel in the back there. That's really how it works. It's condensed here with the yard, but still, they make an attempt to show everything. I think the train's going to come out of there. That tunnel right below the downtown area there. And that is an accurate version of the Bellows Falls Station.
Là, ici, il n'y a pas beaucoup de trains.
And this is St Albans Station, as it would have looked in the 50s. And we got another look here at White River Junction. Exactly an architectural model of what it looked like back in the 1950s. I believe the station is still there and still used by Amtrak. So just to give a whole shot of what this layout looks like. This is that one entire room. And then you have the second room in here, which starts with the Montreal section with an excellent model. HO scale version of the Windsor Hotel there, Windsor Station. It looks like they've done a lot better work here now. And they have some RDCs parked there, and a Canadian, it looks like, maybe, or maybe the Atlantic Limited, and the old CP scheme, and the train sheds. Yeah, they've started doing some of the scenic work. This was not done at all last time I was here. This is, I think it's Montreal, no, yeah, Montreal West. That's around near Vendôme. It's the old CP station near Vendôme. Here's the Glen Yard. And they got some nice 1950s era CN cars. And some CP cars. Really nice steam locomotives. Unfortunately, I didn't get here when they were running this. Yeah, it looks like they've done some work over here too. This is, I guess, Westmount, as it would have looked like. Flexible bus. I'd love to know how many years this has been down here, been worked on. You can see that it's taken a lot of time and a lot of effort and a lot of patience to build this. It looks like they're in the middle of redoing the lighting though, because it does seem a little dark, but it's very moody. Alright, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.